Hi guys, today I'm here to do another out of the box with you, and we're going to be working on a wig from Rebel Gypsy. Alright, so today I thought we could work on this Rebel Gypsy wig right here, and because it has a lot of lace space, but I find that the lace grids itself look kind of large, I wanted to use another product that is out there for wig wearers, and it is actually meant to hide and conceal the grids on your lace front wig. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that right now. You're going to want to get your wig secure on a wig head. For this, I do recommend putting this on some type of wig head. It's just going to be so much easier, and you really don't want to do this on someone else just because you could potentially get some of this product on them, and it's just gonna be a lot easier for you to be able to look at it on a wig head. We're gonna be using this Perfect Line Knot and Grid Eraser right here, and the first thing you have to do with this product is you need to put it in some warm water for about 2 minutes to soften it up, because it is a thicker, waxy type product, and so if you don't do this, it's gonna be really, really hard to blend onto your wig. Some other things you're gonna need to do this tutorial is a rat tail comb. You're gonna use this at the end when we blend out the product, and you're also gonna want to get some type of oil. You can use any type that you like. This is a hemp seed oil. I like to use like my rose oil too. Whatever you have at home, you're just gonna need a couple drops of this, and I'll show you guys what you're gonna do with this at the end. All right, so once you get this nice and warmed up for the 2 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and take it and you're going to lightly rub it on your lace parting. So if this is just a T-part wig, you would just put it in that T-part area and along the front side. And then for this, we're gonna actually be covering this whole lace area so we can have a really nice scalp finish when we're done. All right, so now you can see I've got this whole thing nice and covered and blended out. I'm gonna go ahead and now flip this wig over, and we're gonna work on the next step. Grab your rat tail comb, and you're gonna go ahead and take it, and at the root, you wanna just take this and kind of blend this stuff out. Now you might have some extra that you're gonna see, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with the oil to get rid of any of that once we're done. And now also just keep in mind that because we did this on a very large space, I'm gonna be taking my rat tail comb and just kind of going through section by section and just repeating this process over the whole lace area where I put that stuff at. You're gonna see in certain areas you might have some little extra amounts of product that are kind of beading off, and to get rid of that and just to kind of make it look nice and natural and very scalp-like, you're gonna go ahead and take your oil that you have, and just a drop or two is fine. You don't need a lot, or I just do like a really fine line. And then if you just rub this, it's going to take any of that extra product right off of the wig. Once I'm done with that whole process, the last thing I have to do is just cut the lace, and I can show you guys exactly what this is gonna look like. All right, so I went ahead and I cut the lace off of this, and the last thing I did was I took a little bit of my bronzer and I rubbed some bronzer kind of in the part line area and then around my forehead just to help blend the hairline even more seamlessly. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have used this product, or if there's any other products out there that you guys love to use to help conceal your knots and your grids, because I always love to try that kind of stuff out. It's just something that I know I struggle with all the time, so I'm all about any products that are gonna solve the problem.